so excited. Today we're unboxing the Sephora Favorites Lucky Pout. This literally might be one of the best deals they've ever had. And it's still in stock. Yeah, you're welcome. Let's open up this bad boy. I always love their packaging. They do a good job. Ooh. We got some samples. Kaylee Vanilla 28, one of the best perfumes you can ever try. And then we have, another Vanilla 28. Yes. Yes. Yeah. All right, guys. Time for, oh my goodness, I love it. It comes in a little tin. It's super cute. Look at that. That is so nice. So for $70, you get $269 worth of value. You get 8 full-size products, 1 travel size, and 1 deluxe sample. That's literally crazy for $70, okay? All right, I cannot wait any longer. Let's open this sucker up. So we're just going to slide it out. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the tin. I'm totally going to be able to use this for like something. I don't know. Something. Oh, look inside. That's adorable. Okay, I'm already like loving it. If you're looking to get someone a Valentine's Day gift, this is it. Get it while it's still in stock, okay? I think that we should start with the lip liner. This is from Makeup Forever in shade Limitless Brown. Okay, so let's line these lips right up. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't think I've had anything like that. Glide's super nice. Let's try it. Very beautiful, very precise. I'm just going to line my lips. This is such a nice universal shade, okay? It looks beautiful. It went on nice. Definitely going to be in my top favorites. Okay, let's just mystery pick out of here. So, ooh, I'm so excited. This is the Juicy Lip Plump from Tarte. Can't pronounce the first word. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Look at it. It's such a beautiful color. I do not know the shade. Don't know the shade, but let's just try it. It smells nice too. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. The plump takes a second, but oh wow, it's definitely going to be plumping. And I really love that shade. That's definitely a shade that I would reach for. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Super happy to have this now. All right, next we are going to be trying, oh, the beautiful red MAC lipstick. This is my first MAC lipstick, believe it or not. I know, what am I doing with my life? I don't know, but let's try it. Like, I love red lips, so I'm super excited about this. It's full size, it's beautiful, and let's try it. So excited, it's so pretty, so up my alley. I'm definitely gonna be able to wear this a lot. Like, just look at that. That's so beautiful. That's ridiculous. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And this is in shade Ruby Woo. She's wooing all right. Next, we are going to try the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glass Balm. All right, let's try this. I'm so excited. I do not have any of their lip products, so let's see it. Oh my goodness, look at that pink. Wow. Wow, and the applicator really shapes to your lips. Smells watermelony. It was definitely beautiful and definitely kind of tastes good. Weird, but yeah, definitely amazing. Love this. Probably like at least an 8 or a 9. I may not like go for it all the time, but I really do like it. All right, and now I really want to try the Ordinary one. This is a full size and it's an amino acid lip balm with squalene. So let's try it. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Okay. Let's get squeeze hard. Okay. Okay, it's like a thick lotion almost. Mm. Very similar to like a Vaseline, but nicer. So I'm excited that I got that. If you know anything about me, I love the Ordinary products. Like I use like mainly all of their skincare. The Ordinary is big in this house. Okay, I love the Ordinary. 10 out of 10 always. Almost always. Within reason. And my lips feel amazing right now. That's like the nicest lip balm I've ever had on my lips. So I also want to take a look at the clearance. Oh, wow. Okay. Super excited about this. Wipe off the lippies. This is like a lip oil, and I'm excited. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. Like amazing. Really fruity. And I love the way it feels on my lips. This is lip comfort oil. I'm not seeing a shade. Maybe it's too small. I don't know. Beautiful. Love it. Great. Amazing. Happy to have it. Okay, now let's try out this. This is Bloom. This is a vanilla cream triple tide lip balm. Lip balm. So we don't need lip liner for that. Well, I like the way it closes. This is the applicator. Let's see what comes. Okay, so this is like a Vaseline jelly too. And little vanilla-y. I like that. Oh my god, that feels amazing on my lips. That is so nice. My goodness, they are just like popping off with this. This is crazy. Everything's been amazing. I'd probably give this like an 8 out of 10. May not reach for it all the time. I like the Ordinary slightly better, but if I was going out and I want to smell like extra vanilla and look really cute, definitely would wear this. All right, next we have, oh, the Topicals. I like their stuff. This isn't SCI lip balm. Can't pronounce it. You know what I'm saying? Can't pronounce much. Oh, I love their applicator. Okay, this is very thick. Oh, it's very purple. Okay. Okay. Oh, I like that. A little sticky. A little sticky. A little sticky. Definitely cute. A little sticky for my liking. It's getting a 6 out of 10. That's definitely not exactly great. I don't like it that much. But, I mean, still a great deal. So, it's just real sticky. Real sticky on the lips for some reason. I don't know. I don't know. Not feeling it. Alrighty, let's see what's next. Okay, so this is the Fenty Skin. This is Plush Pudding Intensive Recovery Lip Mask. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, what do I do with this? I turn it. I turn it, I think. Turn. Keep turning. Okay. I don't know what to do. Is it coming up? Yes, it's coming up finally. Do you see that? Oh. Okay, let's try it. Oh, oh. Oh, way too much. Absolutely amazing though. Okay, smells great, feels great. I used way, way, way too much, but that's nice. All this foil out of here because I think we only got like one more item. Okay, last but not least, this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Plump and Repair Lip Treatment. Okay. Okay. Look at how cool it looks. This is crazy. Don't know how to use it. Okay, I think we pump it up like this. Oh, that's exactly what you do. That's exactly what you do. Okay. I don't know how much I'll need of this. What an applicator. What a nice applicator. Okay. I like that. Oh, I definitely took out too much. Okay, that's okay. Let's see how plump my lips get. Look at it. It's so cool. It literally like reminds me of my medical days. So yeah, super cool. Very excited to have this. My lips are so plumped. I love it. Sephora ate down with this, okay? This is still available. Like, run, go. You need to go buy this right now, okay? You're welcome. Bye. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much.